What's going on, guys? So I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how you do the highlight and on a person and like the shadowy areas. It's pretty much a dodge and a burn to bring out the pop on the person in a portrait. So real quick class on like really bringing up those highlights. So first thing I want to do is you click on the curves, click on curves, pull. This one is going to be the dodge. So we're going to brighten it up. Grab it from the middle, push it up, hit Command I. That inverts this part right here to black. You get your paintbrush, make sure it's on a soft brown, then just expand it. All right, so expanded it, and then we're gonna run it down the arm. You see how I'm doing it? It's already, you see, you can kind of, all you're doing is following the lightness on her arm already, and you're really just bringing it up. So it's like where the light would be hitting, where you really want it to pop, pretty much the highest point on the arm facing you or the camera. So you bring that all the way up. It's there. You can do the neck right here. This bone right here. So this is just for the body. So what you would do is click on the black so you can get this feather going on, and then you pull it. So this one right here is not exact science. You want to pull it till you like it. So it could be anywhere, but you want to pull it in like right in there. That looks pretty good. It's like, you see how it just drop into the body, and then you can use the opacity to bring it up and down so you don't have too much. I think right about there is beautiful. So before, after, see how that body really pops, really stands out now. So next we're gonna do the face the same way. So we're gonna bring it all the way up, Command I. Then what we're gonna do now is almost like we're doing makeup. So we're gonna do the contouring of the face. All right, so under the eye, we're gonna give it a little droopy thing right there. Same thing here, a little droop under the eye. You can almost duplicate this on any person, the exact thing that I'm doing. So right over the eyebrows, and then come up to the top of the head, and then come down the nose, the center of the nose, right? And then we're gonna do the jawline same way. Boop, 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 boop. And then the lips, boop, boop, and boom. Then sometimes I like to get the cheekbone and dot down the cheekbone. Perfect. And then same thing, we click on the black, pull it down till we like it. A little bit more, I'll say right there. It looks pretty good. Drop it down with the opacity. It looks pretty good. Before, after. It's a little pop, nothing too crazy. All right, now we want to do the burning part, so the dark part. So we'll do the same thing with the curves, pull it down. Command I it again. So this time we're gonna go to the dark spots on her face. So under the chin, right there. I want to go down the sides of the nose. The side's already dark, but we can do it. I like to come across the nose right here. Like I said, these are replicatable things. You can do this across all your photos. It's not something. This is something you can do in all the photos you do. And then I like to come right across the cheek. That's that indentation right there. And then I like to come inside the mouth, right there. Let's give it that nice depth. And even right there, over the lip. And then you can even do right where the eyelashes would be to make it a little darker there. Right here. Right there. And then we click back on the black portion of the curve. Then we slide the feathering back till we like it. Right in there. Then bring the opacity down. It's right about there. I like it. Before, after. And it's real subtle. Real subtle stuff makes everything that much better. And you can also do a burn on her body if you want. So boom,
Sure.
And big here. Not very much we're gonna do on her body. All right. If she had muscles, you can even sculpt out the abs and the muscles with the same thing. I'll do that in another video for you. Show you how to do that. And boom. That's how you do it. You can group it all the way up. And that's how you do the contouring. So before, after, before, after. So it gives your picture a punch. Bring up the vibrance down on there. Gold thing. What content? Nice vibrant picture. All right, check it out. Tell me what you think. If that helped you, subscribe to this channel. We're gonna do way more content like this. Talk to you guys later.